Hey, what's up all? Today we are going all the way back to 1997. It's the Blue Devils, it's your shopping spree, and it goes just like this. So this is when shopping sprees started to get a little bit more going on inside them, a little bit more difficult. I'm going to break this one down, start to end, have you guys playing it in no time at all. Let's jump straight in. First bar, we've got flam accents. Well, that's easy enough. What do we do next? Well, we're into flam drags. However, in this one, we're doing a Swiss flam drag, then a normal flam drag, then a left-handed Swiss flam drag, and a normal flam drag. That's going to take some of you a little bit of time to figure out, all right? So Swiss, normal, Swiss, normal. Swiss, normal, Swiss, normal. And. Next line, we're going flam accents again with standard cheeses, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cheese, 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 stop. That's an easy one. Right, next time we're into some of the meat of this, right? We've then got... So you can hear we're suddenly going from this 3s feel to a 4s feel. And what we're playing there is the rudiment book reports. Well, book reports are simply going to be... which are basically 3 paradiddles. Paradiddle, 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 stop. Right, step 1... I'm going to break this down real quick, is to play the paradiddles so hopefully you can hear that metronome and paradiddle, 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 stop. So we're playing 4s over triplets. Then we're going to diddle the first note. Then we're going to play a choo-choo, which is going to be... put that diddle back in. Diddle choo-choos. And one more diddle. And that's your full book report. So that puts us onto the left hand. So the next line, the check pattern, starts with. So we come out of the last. The last book report with a single. So single, flam, flam, flam. Then we're going to do 5 strokes. Now rather than just doing the standard that you would expect, they're actually moving it across. So we're going. Actually ends with a flam. So 5 stroke, 5 stroke, then tap 5, tap diddle, and stop. So a whole line, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the rest of this I would call the tag. So let's try that whole first section, right? We've got the Swiss into the normal, Swiss into the normal. Then we've just got 4 cheeses. Then we're into the book reports. Then we're into the 5 strokes with 1 offset. I'm going to do it on the metronome. I'm going to slow it down to about 100 beats a minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Cheeses. Book reports. Left hand, 5s. Okay, don't rush like I did on the book reports. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cheese. Book fourths. Five strokes. So the last two lines of this, if we do the first one of those, is going to be like the tag, right? The tag in this one we get to start with. Then we're into a Swiss Army, followed by a flam tap. Then a right-handed Swiss Army, followed by two flam taps. So that bar on its own would go. We'll do that with a Met. 2, 3, 4. And. End with a single stroke, right? And. Single stroke. Now next up, we've got ducheters or tudgeters, where we've basically got a single stroke, a quiet flam tap, and then another one. So we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we got two of those because we've got one off the left hand too. So we get tudgeter, 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 tudgeter. Some people call it ducheters, some call it tudgeters. I'm sure there's lots of names out there, right? Either sounds like the same thing, all right? Chudder, 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 chudder is the same thing. So that whole line. 1, 2, Swiss, tap, tap, duchetер, duchetер, stop. And it ends with a right hand tap, I believe. So. And. Final line, right, we start off with, which are kind of flam drags, but put in a different position. Two of those. Then we get the equivalent of 3 flam taps, but we start with the right, left, flam tap, stop. 1 trick, that, 2 trick, that, stop. 1 trick, that, 2 trick, that, stop. So we get inverted flam taps, I should say. Then we're into the end section. If I leave this off at the moment, I'll explain that in a minute. This last bar we've got flam tap, one of those, and then 1, 2, 3, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, left, right, left. That bar with a Met. 2, 3, 4. And. Now this last part, we did this back in 95, where we play, it'll be written as 30-second notes. We're never playing it as 30-second notes, right? 30-second notes would be at this would be, right? It's nothing like that. It's almost like we're playing a 6, like hickory dickory dock. We're playing an extra 3 notes after that, so we're kind of going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and timing being like. Now, I can tell you now, we never mark time to this. I'm pretty much guarantee you these guys don't mark time to this either, right? So this was just something thrown on the head to make it interesting. So that whole last line will go. And that's big. And that's your whole spree. Let's go top to bottom. Let's go. I'll try it 100 beats a minute. It's quite hard to play slow, but let's try it. 3. Hard slow, man. Try again. especially hard is that part at the end. Right, so let's jump this up to say 120. So medium tempo. Again. And let's take it way up. Let's go 150, see if we can hang there, right? These guys are playing this like 160, 170. Ridiculous, like, ridiculous. So, 150. Here we go. I have to do that again. Lost those left hands. Blue Devil shopping spree. So you can see this evolving shopping spree. If you go back, check out my videos, the SCV one, real simple, got a little bit more difficult, a little more difficult. 2001, I think that was a ridiculous one. Then it all went a bit, for me, a bit weird. They all went to weird time signatures. And then we've come all the way back around to say something like Morrissey spree, which is the same kind of idea, just crazy rudiments in there. If you're enjoying these lessons, as always, please make sure you subscribe. Please hit the notification button. Leave me some comments. Let me know if you can play this one. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Oh, one last thing. Go check out the t-shirts. Got plenty of t-shirts for sale for you down below on YouTube. Go and have a look. See you soon.